In the last ScienceBase training video, we learned how to search for items in ScienceBase Catalog based on keywords and how to find relevant results based on the title, category, summary, and location. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to explore all the information available about a metadata record. To begin, let's revisit our previous search. Click in the search bar and type Yampa PH. Click Search or press Enter. Once the results come up, click the title of the result entitled Evaluation of Trends in pH in the Yampa River. This result may be relevant to our search, but we need to find out a little bit more about it. We are redirected to the catalog entry for this metadata record. This is the ScienceBase item page, where all the information about the metadata record is displayed in 3 columns. The center column contains the summary or abstract of the piece. Below the summary, the date of the publication is listed. If you are interested in seeing all the metadata for this record, click the More Information link. The metadata for this record is shown in an additional window. You can scroll through and inspect all the metadata available for this record. When you are finished inspecting the metadata, exit out of that window. Below the More Metadata option is the author name and link to other records they are involved in. This item has a geospatial footprint, so it is shown here. Below the footprint are the files, additional information, alternate identifiers, and extension sections. There are various ways of accessing an item's information. One can view the files associated with the item under the file links, or users may click an access button to view the various access options available for that particular item, including the ability to download a file or visit a web link. Access options will vary according to the type of item being displayed. For example, publication versus a project record. The left-hand column will show the display image for this record if one is available. In this case, the display image is the cover page of the report below. Below that, we see the provenance. The provenance section describes where this record came from. It was harvested from the USGS Publications Warehouse or pubs. In the lower left-hand column, there is a list of tags and the categories assigned to this record. The right-hand column shows a couple of ways that this item is related to other items in the catalog. At the top, we can see that this item is part of the Upper Colorado River Basin. In ScienceBase, a community is a way to group items that are all related to the same project. Finally, you can see related items that have assigned relationships between records. The information listed in the different sections of this page are links to more information. We can click on the tag Water Resources Investigations Report and see other records that have the same tag. Click the back button on your browser to return to the item information page. The intertwining of information and the ability to click keywords, people, and communities promotes information discovery, sharing, and distribution. In this video, we learned how to access detailed information about a metadata record in ScienceBase Catalog.